Eastern Australia is set to be hit by widespread storms, intense rain and wind, and potentially major flooding as the weather system impacts millions of people. It's more subdued today in the east, but heavy rain and storms have fired up in WA, SA and the Territory, with a tropical air mass sitting over the interior. For the eastern states, conditions will deteriorate from Wednesday as this humid and unstable air approaches. Multiple flood watches have already been issued, stretching from the interior to the east coast as a heads up for significant flooding, while flash flooding is also possible. Check for flood warnings over the coming days, which may not be limited to areas you see now. Rainfall totals this week could be record-breaking. Daily amounts could top 150mm, particularly with storms, and by week's end, some places could see the November average rainfall several times over. Areas of concern will be southern Queensland, eastern and northern New South Wales, and eastern Victoria. For the rest of Tuesday, heavy falls will continue in the interior and in the west. But on Wednesday, the focus will shift east and storms will cover more than half the continent. For Victoria and Tasmania, it will be rainy with a cold front passing through. By Thursday, a low pressure system will move into the southeast, and this will trigger another burst of heavy rain and storms. The position of the low will be critical heading into Friday, as it's around this system that we'll see the worst of the weather. Winds will also pick up around the low, and there is the potential for damaging winds. Parts of southern and central Victoria may see a period of strong easterly winds, which could generate further damage and disruption to communities there. Conditions will begin to ease later on Friday and over the weekend, but flooding impacts will likely linger into next week. So as severe weather takes hold, make sure you're prepared. Follow all advice from your local emergency services, check you have the latest Bureau information, and please stay safe.